Hello English learners, welcome to our learning English journey. Today we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs. Stick around to learn some new phrasal verbs to use in your daily conversation. So, what are phrasal verbs? Well, they are formed by a verb plus one or more particles, like prepositions or adverbs. In, on, at, up, into, onto. These tiny words that put us in trouble. Let's pick the verb look today and explore all the phrasal verbs it can create. First up, we have look up. Look up. It can mean totally different things. You can look up at the sky like this, technically looking up, or look up something in a dictionary. When you look up something in a dictionary, you try to understand the meaning. But wait, there is more. You can also look up to someone. Look up to someone. It means to respect or admire them. For example, I look up to my grandma because she is the best cookie baker in town. Or I look up to my sister. She is a talented painter. Next on our list is look down. Look down. It can mean to physically look down. When you drop something, you have to look down and find it. Look down. It can also mean to think that someone is less important or worthy than you. It's actually look down on someone. For example, some people look down on others because of where they come from or because of what they do for a living. Or Jack looks down on his co-workers because he thinks what he does is more important than theirs. Let's move on. We have look over. Look over. This is very easy. When you look over something, you check it. Like look over your homework before giving it to your teacher. It can also mean to look from a higher place to a lower place. Imagine there's a wall here, and I look over the wall to see what's on the other side. Our next phrasal verb is look in on. Looking on. Looking on. It means to visit or check something very quickly. For example, I look in on my little brother to make sure he's okay. Looking on. Alright, next up we have look after. Look after, which means to take care of somebody or something. For example, I look after my friend's pet hamster while she's away. She's not at home to take care of her pet, so I take the responsibility to take care of the pet. I look after her pet. Then we have look through. Look through. It means to search for something among a group of things. For example, I look through my closet for my favorite sweater. It means I search for my favorite sweater in my closet. I am looking through my closet. Maybe I cannot find it quickly because I am a bit messy. That's why I have to spend more time for searching for my favorite sweater. Look into is our next phrasal verb. Look into. Look into. This one is for investigating or examining something, like a detective looking into a mysterious case. He's trying to figure out the connection between a series of events. Look into something. I've just painted this chair, so look out! Don't sit here! Wet paint! Look out is the next phrasal verb. Look out. Look out. It means to be careful or watchful. Next we have look around. Look around. This is about exploring and examining a new place. For example, when I go to a new city, I look around. I make sure to visit all the sites and tourist attractions. And our final phrasal verb is look forward to. Look forward to. It means to be pleased and excited for something that is going to happen. For example, I look forward to my vacation next month. Or I look forward to uploading my next video. It means I am very excited to upload my next video for you. Be careful. I look forward to uploading. Always, after look forward to, you need a gerund. Verb plus ing. Look forward to plus verb plus ing. Or simply use a noun. I look forward to my vacation. I look forward to my birthday party. What are you looking forward to? Comment it below. And that's all for today. A group of common phrasal verbs with the verb look, including look up, look down, look over, look in on, look after, look through, look into, look out, look around, and look forward to. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start using these in your daily conversation. Thank you very much for your time and watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. Thanks for your support. See you next time.